Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to return an item in TikTok Shop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the TikTok app, and then, of course, open up the TikTok Shop. Now, once you're in here, you'll find a tab in here that says Order. Just tap on it, or you can go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. And in here, you have orders as well. So just tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and select the item where you wanted to get a refund, okay? For example, you just received your item and you don't like it, you'll be able to find a return button in here. It'll say request a refund or return items. Just tap on it. And in the next page, it will just ask you the reason why you wanted to get a refund, okay? So just go ahead and add in your reason. If it requires a specific screenshot or photo, just go ahead and upload a photo. And then just hit on next. And then if you hit on next, it will ask you to select a drop-off option, okay? Depending on your region, you might have a ton of options. Just go ahead and select one. And if your order is like maybe $10 below, it will just automatically send you back or refund the amount to the card that is connected or the payment method that is connected to your TikTok Shop account, all right? So just follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go, okay? If it asks you to drop off the item to this specific location, you can just go ahead and follow it, okay? And after that, sometimes it's needed to drop off the item to a specific location for you to be able to have your refund, or for the refunded amount to reflect your account or bank account. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.